Welcome to CoinField's KYC tutorial. To begin, please sign up for an account with your email address, create a strong password, accept the terms and conditions, and click Sign Up. Check your email. You will receive the verification code. Please insert the code into the form and click Verify. Now your account is created. Before you begin the first trade, please unlock your account and click Upgrade to Pro. Step 1. Verify your phone number. Select the country code, add your phone number and nationality. Step 2. Select the country of residence and fill in the information about yourself. Once you've completed the form, please accept the terms and conditions. Step 3. Verify your identity. Take a selfie holding a note saying "For CoinField" and the current date. You can take this selfie from your laptop's camera or upload a high-resolution image. Please do not wear hats, sunglasses, fabrics, or anything that covers your head when taking the selfie. Once you successfully uploaded the image, click Confirm. Step 4. Upload your identification document. Please select the issuing country and make sure that it contains your photo, full name, date of birth, and your signature. The acceptable identification documents are International Passport, International Government-Issued Driver's License, International Permanent Residency Card, International Citizenship Card, National ID with photo. Your identification document should have at least 6 months of validity. Depending on the country of residence, some clients might have to upload a proof of address containing your name, address, and the date. At this step, please fill in all the required fields and upload the proof of address. You can choose to upload any of the following documents: bank account statement, credit card statement, tax confirmation document, mortgage or loan statement, and utility bills. Once you have uploaded the document, click Submit. Additionally, some clients might be required to fill in their trading experience. This information will help us provide a better service to you. And that's it! Now your identity has been successfully submitted. Our compliance team will manually review your documents and details if you are not automatically approved. They will be in touch within 24 to 48 business hours if further information is required or if you have successfully verified your account. Our compliance team can be contacted at compliance@coinfield.com.